My name is Guillaume Bazard and I am the French Consul General here in London. Normally, what a Consul General does is running services for the French community living in the country. We do provide documents and assistance to both French people living here and people traveling through. So the new thing is that the public can no longer visit our offices and we are requested to stay at home as much as we can. So we have to work in a completely different way. What we do currently is providing a lot of information on the telephone and by email. We have several hundred inquiries every day. People asking questions about whether they can travel, when they will be able to get a new passport. And what we also do is, in real emergency situations, we do issue documents. For example, if somebody has an absolute urgent need to travel to France for some medical reasons or important family reasons, then we are able to issue an emergency passport. I think the most important challenge is to keep in touch with the teams, because some of them are answering the phone from their home or answering emails from their home, and we have to keep a team spirit. The other challenge is that this crisis is likely to last for a while and we're going to have to work this way for several weeks. We need to have fresh troops all the time, to have a rotation system so that whatever happens, if somebody falls ill, then we have other people to replace them. The first message is very obvious, and it's the one that the French and the British authorities are providing every day, and it is stay home. It does save lives, as we have been noticing in the last weeks. The second message is do not travel unless you really have to, because traveling contributes to the spreading of the disease, and so we have to avoid it as much as we can. And finally, the third message would be, since you're going to be staying home, why don't you check whether you have applied for settled status if you're French, and if you live here and intend to continue to live here after Brexit. And if you haven't, then please apply for settled status now. Thank you.